Hi traders, this is Triska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, click on the subscribe button below so that you will be able to get the latest updates whenever I release new videos with my trades on cryptocurrencies, gold and Forex tips, how to use Pipfinite products, and different trading strategies involving Pipfinite as our tools. So today I just want to share with you on a powerful trading strategy utilizing two of our best sellers, which is strength meter and breakout edge. Okay, so the common dilemma of most traders when trading the breakouts is of course timing, because you don't want to be chasing the markets, and when the market has already moved, that's the only time that you will act. So how are we going to filter out breakout edge signals with the help of strength meter as another confirmation, so that when we trade strength meter plus breakout edge and another powerful indicator, which is moving average, where you can just have it for free in your trading platforms like MT4 and MT5. So how you'll be able to utilize these three powerful indicators and then use it as a confluence so that you will have a strong basis on the direction of the trend or the direction of the breakout edge signal that you would want to take. So breakout edge signal will act as your trigger to enter, or trigger for entry, and then your strength meter will tell you if um, it good in terms of the strength of the breakout. Will it be able to give you a true breakout instead of a false breakout? And then your moving averages will help you to determine whether it is a good location for you to buy or sell as breakout edge signal. So here's what you're going to do. So this is an example where you're looking at your charts at GBP USD under 15-minute time frame. So first we will have to examine whether the market is trending to the upside or to the downside. So in each one time frame, since my trading time frame is 15-minute time frame, so I check each one time frame for a bigger picture on in terms of taking the trade, whether I will be sticking to it for a long time in terms of trading. So if you're going to examine each one time frame, the trend would be downtrend. Because as you would see that there are lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high at this point. We don't know yet on the direction of these forming candles right here, or whether it will continue to go up or it will just continue to resume the market which has started from all the way up here. So what tells me is if I would want to buy, then therefore I would only look for short-term opportunities. So since I'm trading intraday, so therefore what I would be looking for are opportunities, short-term opportunities to buy, because in a smaller time frame, or my trading time frame like 15 minute, I am now in a short-term uptrend. So as you can see, you have highs here, higher high right there, higher low right here. So what will happen is I will want to take advantage of this opportunity to get in the market so that I will get a few decent pips. So how will I do that? Utilizing breakout edge and strength meter plus moving averages. So for me, these are already three confluences. So I would want to look for more. So the more confluences in my decision to add to my trading, the more I will have strong basis in terms of deciding where the market will go. So for this one, so let's just look at here. Let's have a closer look. So for this one, so this is a good example of taking breakout edge signal at a place where the market is not um, at a point where it will just give you false breakout. So how did I say that? If you're going to notice short-term time frame, you have higher highs right here, higher high, higher low, higher high. So this is a market structure for uptrend. So therefore, if I'm looking at my trading time frame and I know that in my mind that we are in a downtrend, therefore I'm only looking for short-term opportunities to buy just because I would want to participate in the market. And breakout edge has given me a signal that is near 200 SMA. It has touched 200 SMA, and so it coincides with strength meter, which is 3. So I take 2 or 3 in terms of the signal that I get from strength meter. So it will indicate that it's not at exhaustion. So the tendency of the market to give me a false breakout at this point is quite low. It's because number one, the location is at 200 SMA, and I would want to make sure that my maximum target will be at this high. Why? Because number one, we have not reached this level yet. So therefore, the uptrend is still intact. So here, from here to here, you were given at least 1,000 points. So that's already decent in terms of if you're going to trade intraday. So that's how I utilize breakout edge to my advantage in terms of trading breakouts. Because if I would see a breakout edge signal right here on top where there is a resistance or a high right here, I would be very hesitant to take it because number one, the trend is in the downtrend and there's a possibility that it will be rejected at this level. So I would not want to take chances in terms of taking that trade at this point. So since breakout edge signal was found right here, and if you're going to draw a trend line from the low right here, higher low and higher high right here, so you would see that this is also a place where it does touch the trend line right here. So this is a good point of taking breakout edge as your signal to enter a buy trade. So that's how you analyze the markets in terms of if you would want to trade breakouts without chasing the markets. So where am I going to place my stop loss? So my stop loss, of course, would be here at the touch of the trend line right here, and this is below the swing right here. So I expect that my um, uptrend will be invalidated once that the market has reached this level. So that's how you will be able to um, decide on when you're going to go out or take yourself out of the market, and then accept that the market might be trending back to its original form where it is in a downtrend in higher time frames, of course, and then we will just look for opportunities where we could buy or we could sell again, going back to the trend. So you will be looking for long-term sell because it is a high place where you can place your sell trades, because of considering that if this is really going to continue to the downside, this is a retracement that you can consider in terms of entering the market long term. But since we are doing intraday trading, we would want to have opportunities from day to day. So that's how I will look at breakout edge and strength meter to be my deciding factors that will help me to decide on which trades to catch. So the settings for this moving average is 200 and 800 SMA. So I utilize this as this is where I consider one of the points where usually the markets would retrace. So it's a good area for you in terms of when the market is retracing, to check what would be the reaction of the charts, or what would be the market reactions when it touches this moving average lines. Alright, so that will be it. If you will want to get a copy of Breakout Edge and Strength Meter, all you have to do is just look at the link below so that you will get a copy of these two powerful indicators. And again, see you guys again for another set of tips and trading strategies that I will be sharing with you in this channel. So if you like this, if you found this very informative to you, all you have to do is just like this video and subscribe to my channel again. And again, if you will want to experience fast execution and tight spreads, all you have to do is just subscribe with our broker, which is Forex, and they're giving out again a $30 welcome bonus if you sign up with them today. So see you guys again tomorrow for another trading tips with me. Bye!